Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friend, today we are going to discuss about section 119 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 119 of the Indian Penal Code is about public servant, where a public servant who is supposed to prevent any offense is facilitating or concealing the criminal design of an offense. Then in this scenario, there is a provision, section 119 of the Indian Penal Code provides punishment for such kind of public servant in this situation. So today we are going to analyze section 119 of the Indian Penal Code. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, kindly subscribe it and also press the bell button to get notification of all the updates. Friends, I also request you to please visit to our YouTube channel page and check out the playlist, because this playlist has very informative and knowledgeable videos on different issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC. So there are numerous videos in this playlist, so please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, if an police officer or a public servant who is supposed to prevent a offense or a crime, but however he is facilitating the commission of such offense by concealing the design, the criminal design, or misleading, then in these circumstances, what is the punishment? So the punishment is given under section 119 of the Indian Penal Code. So before analyzing section 119 further, let's read what is given under section 119 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 119 of the Indian Penal Code says, public servant concealing design to commit offense which it is his duty to prevent. Whoever, being a public servant, intending to facilitate or knowing it to be likely that he will thereby facilitate the commission of an offense which it is his duty as such public servant to prevent, voluntarily conceals by any act or omission or by use of encryption or any other information hiding tools the existence of a design to commit such offense or make any representation which he knows to be false respecting such design. If he does something or facilitates something or conceal the criminal design by any means, whether it's manual or electronic or whatever, to conceal the criminal design, then for such offense he is punishable, and the punishment differs as per the crime. If the crime is committed, then there is a different scenario. If the crime is not committed, then the punishment is different. And if the offense which is committed is punishable with death sentence or imprisonment for life, then the punishment will be different. So three conditions are there in the punishment. So let's read one by one. First thing, if offense be committed, shall, if the offense be committed, be punished with imprisonment of any description provided for the offense for a term which may extend to one half of the longest term. So for if the offense is committed, then the punishment is one half of the longest term. The second condition is if offense be punishable with death, or if the offense be punishable with death or imprisonment for life, with imprisonment for either description for a term which may extend to 10 years. So if he has concealed any criminal design of an offense where the punishment is either death sentence or life imprisonment, then in this scenario he will be punished for a term of 10 years. So the term of imprisonment will be 10 years. The third condition is if offense be not committed, or if the offense be not committed, shall be punished with imprisonment of any description provided for the offense for a term which may extend to 1/4 part of the longest term. So if the offense has not been committed, in that scenario the public servant will be punished with 1/4 term of the longest imprisonment usually given in that crime. So this is all about section 119. Section 119 is about public servant, whereas section 118 is about anyone. So the provision is almost same, both is about criminal concealment of any criminal design. However, the quantum of punishment in 119 is more severe than 118. The reason behind this is the public servant, and the public servant, it is his duty to prevent crime. However, instead of doing his duty, he is supporting the crime, facilitating the crime, concealing the criminal design, or misleading the criminal design. Then in this scenario, he is committing a bigger mistake, and that is why the quantum of punishment for such offences is much more than what is given for such crimes under section 118. So this is all about section 119 of the Indian Penal Code. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. I will be coming again with more videos like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.